The goal of this video is to get several different animations from Blender into Unity. So to start out in Blender, I have a character that has 3 different animations. They're all lined up in series here, so when I hit play, you'll see walking, running, and an idle animation. So the goal here is to be able to get all 3 of these into Unity. So first off, I need to get this entire collection into Unity by going File, Export, Export as an FBX, and then I'm going to drag and drop that into Unity, which I've already done here. So as you can see, I have the character. If I expand this, you can see all the components of the character as well as the animation clip. And then I also imported one of the materials. So if I hit play here, you can see that I have all 3 animations, but it's all in one single clip. So I'm going to separate these into 3 clips by going to the clip section, renaming this walk, and then I need a start and end time, or rather a start and end frame. So I'm going to go back to Blender, and then my walking animation starts at keyframe 1 and ends at keyframe 40. In actuality, it ends 1 keyframe shorter at keyframe 39. So I'm going to go from 1 to 39 because 40 and 1 are the same exact keyframe. So I can hit apply and that'll update. And then the next clip that I want to create is the run clip. So if I hit run, go back to Blender and I see it's from 60 to 80, but again, it's really from keyframe 60 to 79, since keyframe 60 and 80 are the same keyframe, or they have the same exact pose. So do that for run. If I hit play, you can see that it's clipping just the run animation. And then lastly, I need to do this for idle as well. And same process, idle goes from keyframe 100 to 120, or rather 119. I hit play there, and you can see it's repeating the animation. So I hit apply. As you can see, I have idle, run, and walk. However, none of these are actually looping. They may loop when you click play, but I need to go into each clip and click yes on loop time. So if I do that for all 3, and then click apply, that will reapply that. And now, when you go back to the actual animations, you'll see that they have the correct boxes checked. You can also edit in the animation clip itself, I believe. So that is how you get the separate animation clips from Blender into Unity, and that's it.